Corner. First, let me choose a book to do for today's review. But which one? This is going to be the book of today's review. The book's name is Usborne Illustrated Stories from India. Usborne has a great series of illustrated stories from around the world. Today, I picked this one, which is Usborne Illustrated Stories from India. This book was originally published in 2015. Its genre is fiction and it has a good hardcover quality and it has very nice pictures and the pages are very good in quality. It has total number of pages 255 and it has an illustrated collection of traditional stories from India, which includes tales of the battles, feats of the Hindu gods, and ancient stories of trickery and cunning. All the stories are very interesting and fun to read, with great moral values. And these stories are perfect to read in bedtime. Let me show you the content and inside pages of the book, and I'll also read one page for you. My favorite story, which is included in the book, is Tigers and Cats. Any cat lover will enjoy this one, as it explains how we ended up with a domestic cat who think they are mini tigers. Now, let's see the contents. Let's see the inside pages. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, a beautiful drawing. I love it. A jackal? Blue in color? I did never know that would happen. A jackal on an elephant with a chain of flowers. Wow. Hope you liked the review of this book and all your queries got cleared. I really enjoyed reading this book and I gave it 5 stars. And if you didn't read it, please read it. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Share the video. Thank you.